In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game icons missing on your desktop in just 5 minutes. It's a pretty common issue, and while it might seem a bit frustrating at first, I promise that with these simple steps, you'll have those icons showing properly again in no time. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to locate the game icon or shortcut that's currently not displaying correctly on your PC screen. This might be a blank or generic icon instead of the expected vibrant game logo. Once you've found it, go ahead and right click on that game icon. Doing so will open up a menu of options for you. From the list of options, select Properties. This option will be towards the bottom of the menu and serves as a gateway to tweak and manage settings related to the shortcut. Click on that and a new window will pop up. In the Properties window, you'll see different tabs across the top. What you're looking for here is the Web Document tab. Go ahead and click on it to bring it into view. Once you're in the Web Document section, you'll find a button labeled Change Icon. It's your next destination. Click on Change Icon, and as you do this, a new window will pop up, guiding you to select a new icon file. But don't worry, it's simple to navigate. Click on the Browse button within this window, and your Windows File Explorer will open automatically. In the File Explorer, you're going to start from this PC, which is typically listed on the left-hand side. From there, double-click on your Windows C drive to enter it. Now browse to Program Files x86, a common directory where a lot of your installed programs reside, including Steam. Within Program Files x86, look for a folder named Steam. Once you spot it, double click to open, and then you'll have to click into the Steam folder again, weird as it may seem, just to ensure you're in the right spot where your specific game data is stored. Once inside, find the Games folder and open it up. Here you should see a list of game-specific folders or files. Search for the game of choice that you're trying to fix, and select the appropriate icon file related to that game. After you've selected the correct icon, go ahead and click OK. You'll be brought back to the Change Icon dialog box, just click Apply, and finally confirm everything with another OK. And there you have it. You've successfully restored the Steam game icon on your desktop. Hopefully this process helps you keep your desktop tidy and free of any confusing blank icons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.